Just roll up your body. Here, lean out. Well, I figured you brought him on board and then things started improving.
Yeah, no, that's kind of true. I mean, look who we had. So. No, Howell was an individual student. Ask him if he's not anymore.
Now he's got a fix on us. Yeah, if I could do math, I'd be a doctor. Let's go. Get out of here.
I don't know.
Back up. Change positions, go to the different side. Should be back. Roll your elbow. Behind the barrel. Small. There you go. Right here. Stay down. Top off the gun. Careful of your feet. Get low. Top off really low. Right elbow underneath the body. Again? You put lots of let's get out of here. Watch it out. Watch it. Alright, find some place to shoot from.
Yeah, the difference, literally, we were to class of 84.
Lean your rifle out.
And it was like 55 in the morning.
Flatten out that arm for you. Almost roll it out. There you go. Flatten it out. Turn the rifle almost to the side.
And we,
there you go. Everybody with it.
one day the next,